Hey guys, so welcome to my video. This video, I got a sound effects thing on my phone, and so I've decided that I'm going to make a video of my reactions. I know, you're thoroughly impressed right now. I'm going to take a minute. Are you done being impressed? Because I'm not. Well, wait a sec. How about now? Great. So anyway, I got a sound effects thing on my phone, and I kind of want to start using it in the videos. For whatever. So basically, I'm going to sit down with you guys, and I'm going to go through all the little effects that I have, and see if I have a reaction for them. Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do that. We're going to do that. So like I would tell a funny joke, and then I would... You get it? See? I like this game. Do you like this game? I love this game. This, I feel like you would use that with Debbie Downer. Like I'd be like, sad my dog died. See? Tell me you don't like this already. Thank you. I know. Thank you. You guys are just far too nice. I can't even begin to tell you how nice you guys are. Thank you. No, it's all you. See how I did... Okay. What's this one? See, I would use that when I tell a really stupid joke and nobody laughs, and then I'd be like... I'm gonna go cry in the back now. Like, dun dun dun. No. Okay, yeah. Next. Explosions. Is that an earthquake? No, it's Ramon! Oh, Ramon! Oh, I totally just got an Oliver Twist feel right there. Like, play it and be like, Lisa, may I have some more? No? You were going to give me some more, weren't you? I'm pretty good. I guess it could be like, wake up, wake up, wake up. It's the first of the month. I felt like I was at a jazz club. I'm not really sure when I'm ever going to use that one, but I'm sure I'm going to figure out something because I'm going to need it. I'm going to need it. Storms. Lightning! Lightning! Does it even sound like rain in there too? Bring it on into Christmasville! That's what it makes me think of the Salvation Army, guys. Round 1. Fight. Scorpion wins. Flawless victory. It wasn't me. I didn't know she was a prostitute. I swear, I was just giving her a ride home. It's sad that that was the first place I went. Yep. It's Skin 30. Oh, I always, this is what happens too fast every time. Like, this is like the 4th time I've done this video. 5th time. Correction, 6th time. And I either shake too much or something goes wrong, and every time I do the horn, I keep forgetting I want to beep with it. Ready? Oh, why did I do it 3 times that way? Well, anyway, this is my favorite. Ready? You don't know me. You don't know me. Don't even play. You don't even know me. I feel like I'm Maury. Yeah? Like, whatever. I am not a slut, okay? I only slept with 4 different guys that day, okay? Perfect. You are not the father. I told you. Baby don't even look like me. Baby don't even look like me. He ain't got my nose. That ain't my nose. Maury, we ain't got that kind of nose. Alright. So, there you go. My reactions. The video I made before this one was a little bit funnier, so I might just throw some of those in there too. I might make a mixtape after I post this. I'll post this one and then we'll make a mixtape. Thanks. I don't know why I'm saying thank you. I'm saying thank you because you watch my videos. And even if you don't think they're funny, they're not supposed to be funny. I feel like if I say that and they're not funny, you don't get let down when they're not funny. When in all actuality, I think maybe they're supposed to be funny. It's neither here nor there. So thank you for watching my videos. And let's see if I can't, what can I play me out on? There you go. Bye, guys. When did I get boobs?